Welcome to another Angry Mack Adventures Chasing Adventure series, where we find some of WA's greatest locations. Join us today as we explore the Ningaloo coast from Coral Bay to Exmouth, showing you guys what it has to offer, from beach to bush. We travel over 3,500 kilometres to enjoy the Ningaloo coast, WA's remote coast along the Indian Ocean. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing to Angry Mack Adventures. Hey guys, and welcome back to another Chasing Adventure episode. We're here in the northwest of Australia. We're actually in a little town called Exmouth. It is wicked here, and we're going to show you guys what we've been up to. So sit back, I hope you enjoy it. Well, there was no mucking around. We got into Exmouth late last night, grabbing some bait and fuel, ready to hit the ocean the next day. Check out this sunrise. Straight out to 80 metres of water from the boat ramp, and we're onto some Spangled Emperor. That's a good size spangy. Spangled Emperor, hold on. The day was looking good, catching a range of fish, including a sand snapper and plenty of cod. Well done. Oh, this is a big fish. Something decent anyway. We just picked up a nice Spangled Emperor. We're out here at about 80 metres, just going across that 80 metre contour, and we're starting to pick up some nice fish now. So, first fishing trip for Angry Mack too. Let's see what we got. That's actually not a bad size fish, huh? Oh, it's a cobia! It's a cobia! Yeah. Oh! Don't go under the boat.
It's got both lines. It's got both lines.
Yeah. You got it?
Let it run.
You got it? That's it? Oh!
Who's that? A shark?
Nah, that's a cobia. Well, there we go, guys. First cobia. That's a good sized fish. Well, that was the end of that fishing session. We didn't end up recording that much after because the boat ended up going into lit mode, saying that there was water in the fuel system. Draining out the fuel water separator, we ended up making our way home, just doing 5 knots to make sure we didn't do any damage to the engine. Heading back to the hotel, we ended up draining all the water out the fuel tank and the fuel system. We primed it all back up and started, and it sounded okay to run again, so we brought it into the Gulf to test it out, but still we're having problems, so we ended up staying in the Gulf and doing a bit of a squid session. We're about to go squid fishing, so I supported the local tackle shop and went and bought a few colours, so we're going to try out the redhead. So we're in about 3 to 5 metres of water, just drifting through the sandy weeds here. Hopefully we can pick up a couple of calamari. Coming? Oh, it's a fish!
Oh, I got a fish!
You got a fish!
You got a cod on it.
You got a cod! What the hell?
A cod on a squid jig. That's funny.
That is hilarious. Well done.
Thanks.
He's on. Oh, he's on.
Grab the rod so I can grab the squid.
Yep. Oh!
Beat me.
Oh, that is. Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello.
Alright, that's enough of the squid juice. Let's get back into it and catch ourselves some dinner.
Well done.
Killer!
Alright, we've hooked up. Almost right on sunset too. There you go, look at that. Beautiful. There we have it, guys, another squid. Beautiful. We're catching squid because we want some squid rings tonight. So what we're chasing is that nice weedy rock broken up with the sand. That's what we want at the bottom, to be like that. So the sun's just dropped now. We've got lucky, we've got 3 on board so far. I've just thrown the squid lights on at the back. Accompanying us today is the girls. We've got Georgia and Annika and Johnny behind the wheel as well. So hopefully we can try and get a couple of squid for tonight. Some salt and pepper squid. Guys, we are on. How good is that? Right, we're getting him in now. That is a big squid. Oh. Come on, John. Get him, mate. Got him. Oh! Get him. Come on. Hang on, John. Oh, you got him on the ladder.
Hold up.
Oh, that is a big squid. That is a big squid. Look at the size of that squid.
Well done.
Wow. There we are.
Beautiful.
Nice little fella. It's actually not a bad size, John.
Is it right, this one?
Yeah, it's not bad. Coming back home after a late night of squid fishing, we cooked up the calamari. Check this out. Look at that. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh.
You gonna keep this out?
Huh?
You gonna keep this out?
Yeah, probably.
No, you won't.
Nice and easy recipe. Egg and a bit of panko crumbs. That's all you need. Well, there you have it, guys. The first catch and cook for the Voyager after restoration. Absolutely beautiful. In the morning, once the emus got out the way, it was time to get out of Exmouth and head towards Yardy Creek. The wildlife is just absolutely amazing. Getting to Yardy Creek entrance, it's about an hour and a half out of town. We paid our national park fees, and let me tell you, once we got there, we cracked open a coldie and just enjoyed the beautiful views. Check this out. If you guys are ever heading to Exmouth, coming to see Yardy Creek is definitely a must do. Checking out all those red limestone cliff faces, it is beautiful. Next stop was Turquoise Bay. You can't actually drive on the beach here, but there's a provided car park. If you guys are into your snorkeling, this is definitely a must see. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just check out this turquoise water. Alrighty, it's time to put the flippers on and start looking at this beautiful wildlife. Turquoise Bay is just full of life, having an array of different fish species. It is just beautiful to see. Check out this little black reef fish, look how territorial they are. Coming towards the end of the snorkel, we come across this white-tip reef shark. It was so cool to see it swimming around. It was the first time the girls saw a real life shark around them. Well, there you have it guys, Turquoise Bay. What an absolute beautiful spot. If you're coming down to Exmouth and you're on the west side and you want to check out a couple of places on the Ningaloo Reef, I highly suggest Turquoise Bay. It's just crystal clear waters, maximum probably 2 meters in depth, and you just see some stunning reef, all types of species of fish. Even saw a little white-tip reef shark, which is pretty cool. So we're just heading north now towards the Lighthouse, and we've got a little four-wheel drive spot that we're going to go check out, so we can go get these tyres dirty. Let's do it. Heading back towards Exmouth, we stopped past the Min Head Lighthouse, which is situated approximately 17 kilometres north of Exmouth. This lighthouse is in a stunning location, making it only one of few lighthouses in Australia where you both see the sunrise and sunset. You see a lot of history that went down over the years in Exmouth, which makes you wonder how lucky we are today. Alrighty, that's enough of that, let's get fishing. Well, let's just say that was a pretty crazy 20 minutes. So there was a guy stuck on the beach with his trailer, and he was half an hour and his car would have been gone. The sand here is just so soft, it's unbelievable. So I tried to give the guys a hand. I spun around to hook him up, and my car just sunk down. So we got mine out with a snatchy, and we finally got him out. But yeah, we're gonna start fishing now on the beach. Hopefully we can get something tonight. Oh, GT for sure. So much fun. Oh, first fish for the night. Trevally. They're no good to eat, but they're awesome fun to catch. Let's see what else is out there, eh? We had an absolute ball tonight fishing on the beach. But just as we were packing up, Johnny hooked onto something big. Johnny's on something big.
Who's it? Who's that?
Come on, baby.
Another shark.
Oh, John,
Don't breathe me, come on. He was playing with it for a bit. Come on, baby. Baby.
It was a big grey nurse shark. We didn't want to keep it out of the water too long, so we quickly took a photo and swam it out. Awesome way to end the night. Woo. Nice. Oh, we'll call that an end to the night. Well, there you go, guys. Exmouth at its best. Land-based fishing on the beach, can't get any better than that. Alrighty guys, there is not much left of this holiday. We're actually heading out of town and heading to a little place called Coral Bay. It's absolutely beautiful there, so yeah, let's go have a look, do a bit of exploring and see what we can find. Coral Bay is situated an hour and a half south of Exmouth. We stopped at Ningaloo Marine Park to have a swim.
Hang on, mate. Okay. Look, I'm walking in my shabati and socks like I tucked in bed.
Hey, we're at Coral Bay. Oh my god, look at the spangled emperor here. Look. There's spangled emperor everywhere. I just want to grab the fishing rod. Coral Bay is such another great location to snorkel along the Ningaloo coast. And if you guys are lucky, you catch the local feeding times where you can actually feed pink snapper and spangled emperor to your feet. It's incredible. We just enjoyed the beautiful blue water before heading up to Five Finger Reef. Alrighty, that's enough snorkeling for this trip. Let's get off road with the four-wheel drives. Just hit Five Finger Reef, so we have to put our tyres down because it does get pretty boggy. So we'll let them down to about 12 psi and we'll hit the track. I haven't done a four-wheel driving video for a while on the channel, but there's a nice little four-wheel drive track that you kind of follow out to the beach, and then you've got this beautiful exposed reef. Being the school holidays, Five Finger Reef was absolutely chockers, so we decided to head south towards Point Henderson.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
Look how big this sand dune is. Got some big ass wombat holes. Let's see if we can do it. Let's go. Go son! Go son! Yeah! Yes! Woohoo! Oh, that's awesome. Alright, it's time to get a V8, I reckon. Man, that was so sick. The V8 got up there, so Johnny's Land Cruiser. Oh, it sounded so nice. So we're just at Point Anderson, I believe. So it's a beautiful, nice white beach. Nice sandy patch here for the girls to swim in. We're just gonna set up the awning.
Cheers.
Us drivers got the Sunkiss and they got the espresso martinis. Unbelievable. Bit of sausage and cheese. Well, there you have it, guys. Another Chasing Adventure episode. The Coral Bay Exmouth Ningaloo Coast Edition. There is so much to do up north. From fishing the flats on Sunset, to four-wheel driving through the Yardy Creek gorges and checking out the caves, to seeing where the turtles lay their nests on the coastline of Western Australia. Exmouth is absolutely amazing, and with the company of Georgia, Annika and Johnny, definitely made it worthwhile. We'll see you again, Exmouth. Thank you to my sponsors, West Coast Marine Fabrication, Camboon Powdercoaters, Vision 1 Wraps, Berserka Jigs and Tackle HQ.